Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to archive notes in Standard Notes step by step. Archiving helps you keep your workspace clean by hiding notes you no longer use every day while preserving them for future reference. So let's get started. First, open the Standard Notes app on your computer or mobile device and sign in to your account. Once you're on the main dashboard, browse your notes list and select the note you want to archive. Next, open the note and click or tap the More Options or Menu button. Depending on your version of Standard Notes and the editor you're using, look for an archive option. If it's available, select it to move the note out of your active notes list. If your version doesn't include a built-in archive feature, you can create a similar workflow by adding an archive tag or moving older notes into a dedicated organizational category. This keeps active notes separate while allowing you to find archived content quickly using search or filters. After archiving the note, check your archived section or filter by the archive tag to confirm the note has been moved successfully. You can restore the note at any time by removing the archive status or tag if you need to work with it again. Finally, review your notes regularly and archive completed projects, old meeting notes, or inactive information to keep your workspace organized and easier to navigate. And that's it. You now know how to archive notes in Standard Notes or organize older notes using alternative methods when an archive feature isn't available. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next